As you can see, thousands of resources have been added to my account after using this method. It's a secret, guaranteed method, and you'll be surprised by how easy it is. Before we dive in, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support us by hitting the like button. Now, let's get started with the explanation. First, we'll open any browser and type in the name of this site, playmod.pro. As you can see, this is the site's interface. There are many games and apps available here. This site works for Android, iPhone, and even PC, so feel free to use any device you prefer. Next, we'll head to the search box and enter the name of the game or app you want to get the resources. Once you find it, click on it, and you'll be directed to a page with information about the game or app. Now, you'll see a green button. Click it to start injecting the resources into your account. All you need to do is wait a few moments while the site completes the process. Remember, you must already have the game or app installed on your device to receive the resources. In the final step, the site will ask you to complete one of the tasks in order to confirm that you're not a bot. This is a standard procedure as the site protects itself from automated bot attacks. If you scroll down, you'll see three types of tasks. Phone number verification, you'll be asked to enter your phone number, and then you'll receive a verification code, which you'll resend to the site for free to prove that you're human. App download task, the site may ask you to download an app or game and use it for 30 seconds. Since bots don't use phones, this helps confirm you're not a robot. Survey task, you'll be asked to complete a short survey by answering some simple questions to verify you're not a bot. I'll now choose one of the tasks and complete it. Just a quick note, the tasks may vary depending on your country, so you might see different tasks than I do here. Once the task is completed, I'll log back into my account to check the result. Logging in might take a little time, so I'll speed up the video. As you can see, the resources have been successfully added to my account in a very simple way. I hope you give it a try, my friends. Don't worry about your accounts. This method is completely safe and poses no risk. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.